Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Zen device to a laptop. First, identify the specific port on your Zen device, such as a USB-C or micro USB. Next, locate the matching port on your laptop, often found on the sides. Select the correct cable, ensuring it is in good condition. Finally, power on both your Zen device and your laptop before attempting the connection. This ensures proper recognition and functionality. Laptops offer various connection types for your Zen device. USB-A, a common rectangular port, is found on most laptops. USB-C provides a reversible plug and supports faster data transfer, often up to 10 gigabits per second. Thunderbolt ports, sometimes sharing the USB-C shape, offer even higher speeds and power delivery. Always check your device's manual for its specific connection requirements. After physically connecting your Zen device, you might need to install drivers or software. Visit the manufacturer's official website to download the latest drivers for your operating system. Follow any on-screen instructions carefully during installation. A restart of your laptop may be required to finalize the setup. Confirm your device is recognized in your laptop's device manager or system preferences. If your Zen device isn't connecting, start by checking all cable connections for security. Try plugging the cable into a different USB port on your laptop, as some ports might have issues. Ensure your laptop's operating system is fully updated, as this can resolve compatibility problems. If issues persist, refer to your Zen device's user manual for specific troubleshooting steps and support information.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.